everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am going just to go grocery shopping at the nearby store, which is Vons for me. And Vons is typically known for being a little expensive. So I am going to be shopping the sales, shopping smart, and the kicker is I only have $100. So let's see how much I can buy with $100 for my family for the week. I looked at the circular and they got some good stuff, so let's go. So my Vons has been remodeled and everything is everywhere, but it is looking so good. And the speakers are super loud here. So anyways, I am ready to go and show you what I got. Okay, you guys, I just got back and I'm ready to show you what I got. So you know how much I started with my bank account. How much do you think I spent just looking at this? Did I go over? What do you think? Start guessing down below if I went over or not, and I'll share with you at the end what I spent. I am so excited to share with you a couple of brand new things that I've never bought before. So I'm excited. So let's get started with water. You guys, I didn't buy soda again, but I did buy something that I'll show you in a minute. I did pick up some sodas earlier in the week. They were on a sale, so I just got like 3 packs. And we're being very careful with them. And by careful, I mean my son. I have sons that love to drink the Diet Coke. So I have them in the front fridge so we can kind of monitor them a little bit more. But it's totally fine. So I did pick up waters. These were on sale for $1.50 if you have the Vons app, which is the For You app, I believe it's called. So you could use that For You app at Albertsons as well if you have that, and all the stores that are associated with Vons or Albertsons. So now let's start unpacking what I got. Okay, first off, I picked up some apples. Paul has an apple with his breakfast every day, so I like having them on hand, and of course, kids like them too. I picked up an onion and a bell pepper because we'll be doing another either fried rice, a chicken fried rice, or I might make it with some ramen. It's basically the same idea, except instead of rice, I'll be using some rice ramen. I got some from Costco and I've been meaning to use it. So I think having it with this is gonna be so delicious. So that's gonna be another meal plan. I picked up some lettuce so that we could either make some tacos, some hamburgers, or a salad. So I can combine my cucumbers here with some lettuce. I have a tomato in the refrigerator, and then slice some apples. It is delicious. It's our favorite way to eat a salad. Do you put apples on your salad? Let me know down below. I picked up some bananas and a couple of cantaloupes. These were on sale for $1.77 each. So I got a couple. This weekend we are having church at home because we have general conference. And so I like to make a good breakfast for us. So I'll be cutting these up to have with our breakfast. And then I'll tell you a little bit more what we're having. So for Saturday's session, I am going to be making, we have like one frozen bread dough in the back freezer. So I thought I would just fry it up. So Utah calls that scones, but I have a friend from England and I know that those aren't scones. So they're Utah scones, fried bread. In fact, I use that to make Navajo tacos, but I am going to make a cream cheese, like a cream cheese with sugar layer, just a light to go on top of the fry bread. We'll put some berries on it with a little bit of whipped cream and call that breakfast dessert. I know the kids will love it. I will too. And Paul will have something gluten-free. Okay, I picked up some broccoli. I love buying the broccoli just right where I can pick it out. So I just like to chop these up and I will add it into the cream of chicken soup mix, and then put a little cheese if I want to, and put that over baked potatoes. That it's kind of like a cheddar broccoli soup. And then I just picked up some carrots also. We go through lots of carrots, and to me now, I just buy the regular carrots versus the baby carrots because I just think they taste better. I know, don't at me, but I just love them. So I love baking them with even the broccoli at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Put your favorite seasonings, your favorite sauces on it. It is so good and so good for you. Now let's keep going. Next, I picked up some bacon. These were $4.99 each. That is perfect for a meal, whether it's breakfast or breakfast for dinner. So I liked having that. That was on sale for like $2 cheaper than it normally is. So like $6.99. So that was kind of nice to find those on sale. I picked up some more burgers just so we can make a quick dinner. Paul loves to cook these on the Blackstone outside, and it's so good when he does. I mean, I have a system that I could do it on the burners up here, but I love that he does them. It just makes it so much easier. So yes, these were $10, so a little bit pricier. And then I did a splurge, you guys. I'm gonna show you two. This was $7.99 or $8.99. That's a lot of ham though. It is increased in price. I am going to be making all of this in ham cups right now. I bought 2 of these. They were on sale for $1.89. Can you believe it? Eggs were on sale. Let me know where you live if you are having a hard time finding eggs and chicken. I can find fresh chicken breasts, or I can find chicken breasts that are frozen if they just come right off the truck. But in the meantime, a lot of times they're gone. They're so gone. So same thing with eggs. It's getting harder to find the eggs that I want. But I just want to have a little bit of an extra just in case I can't find them for the week. So I do have a couple of these even in the back fridge that have a longer expiration date. So I have to use these ones before the other ones anyway. So I'm gonna make these and put them all into the freezer. Ham cups are super easy to make. You just I cut these into squares. So I just cut it right around here, and then I'll have this perfect square here. And so I put one in every muffin, a greased muffin tin, and then I crack an egg in it, little salt and pepper, bake it at 400 degrees for about 14-15 minutes. Pull it out, sprinkle some cheddar cheese, put it back in for another minute. It is such a good breakfast. It's like high protein. Well, it's not like, it is high protein, and I like to eat it. I eat 2 of them with a little bit of yogurt. And lately I've been adding a little bit of cinnamon to my yogurt just to give it extra flavor. So yeah, so this is super good. Keep them in the freezer. And then I just have, and actually I'm the only one that likes it, unless I add it into a breakfast burrito for my sons, which I can cut up and put into a tortilla. Somehow that makes everything better. I kind of agree with that though. Tortilla is very good. So I'm gonna be working on these later this afternoon, but let me show you the other thing that I splurged on. So I didn't buy soda, but I bought this lime flavored seltzer water. So like sparkling water basically. And I bought these little Crystal Light wild strawberry packs. I saw somebody on Instagram say that they drink these together, 1 can and 1 of these, and lots of ice, and it was just a refreshing drink. Should I try it right now? Should we try it, Ezzy?
Yes.
Okay, looks like we're trying it. Okay, so I just added a bunch of ice and then the can and then the drink, but I remembered that you can probably even do less, so I filled it up with some water. Let me try. Ooh. That's a really good taste. And it's calorie free. That's yummy. Do you think Dad will like it?
Yeah.
Okay, Ezzy said that he wanted it.
I wanted
He
it.
really liked it.
It's so good.
It's so good. All right, let's keep going. I forgot to show you, I also got baked potatoes or potatoes to bake. So I can put that broccoli cheese recipe on it. Yum, yum. So they had a really good sale on General Mills products. So I bought a couple of the Honey Nut Cheerios and Cinnamon Toast Crunch for Ezzy. He's cheering in the back over there. Part of that sale also included Go-Gurts, so I got those for Ezzy. I have been actually buying the big tubs of yogurt and putting them into smaller mason jars just for me. And I love that. Like, it's saving me some money to do that. So I'm gonna try to, figure out how to save extra pennies, so to say, and try to alleviate some of these extra costs. But that was on sale for $1.60. So that was just for Ezra. I also picked up these for Paul's lunches. These both do not say that they contain wheat, right? They only contain like peanuts and almond, soy, those kinds of things. So those are going to be good for Paul. And this one has chocolate on the bottom, so that looks really good. Again, $1.67. The cereals were $1.67. And I picked up just some trail mixes for Paul. These were probably like $3.50. And he does love having some trail mix. I think the last thing, oh no, I have a couple more. So I also have bought some Grandma Sycamore bread, so I'll put that in the back freezer because we're still working on some over here up front. And then I bought some waffles. These were also on sale for $2 using the For You app. These will just help me while I'm getting my pancakes ready, or maybe I'll make waffles this week, who knows. But it gives me a few extra days to kind of plan that and get that ready. Picked up some string cheese. Okay, you guys, I love string cheese. There's no right or wrong way for me to eat it. I just like having it as a little snack because I feel like, sometimes I'll come home from work, I'm super tired, but I miss dinner. So I might have a string cheese for the protein. I just feel like, okay, just a little something, right? They weren't on sale. They were $3.99 for 12, but I have seen them for better prices than that. Okay, and the last thing that I picked up were these crispy chicken sandwich fillets. So these are, it says that it's buttermilk recipe. So they are like sandwiches, you guys. So Paul isn't here today. He has a work event in the evening tonight. So we'll be making these as a family. So I'm just feeding the boys. And I think that this will be a nice little treat that we normally don't get to have because Paul's trying to eat gluten-free and we're trying to respect that. And I'm trying to make as many recipes that will help. But when Dad's away, so let me know down below if you've ever had these because they look so good. Look at that picture. It looks like you can just buy that like through a drive-through, really. So this was a little bit pricey. It was like $9.99, but I believe it has four or five servings in here. So it's a little pricey, but special for tonight. All in all, I spent $101.15. So I went over by $1.15, which not bad at all. So I feel like we're gonna be good for the next week, and I can't wait to show you what I'll be buying next week with our haul. So thanks for going with me to Vons today. I'm so grateful for all of you rollers. I appreciate all your kind words. I love the advice that you're giving, the recipes you're putting, or if you want to send me any, I'm at howinesrolls@gmail.com. I am loving all of them. So thanks so much for all of your support. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.